I actually never went live on Facebook, so literally trying it out today, and I hope it works. I hope it works. Hi guys, hi. So this is my first time going live on Facebook. I always do it on Instagram. So I decided to go live today because I am running a competition of my few people that have been with me for so long. And I just decided, you know what? I want to buy someone a ticket. I wanna buy someone a ticket to Thobela FM Gospel Festival, and this is gonna be two people that I'm gonna buy a ticket for, and man, it's just gonna be an interesting thing to do. I just felt I felt generous, I think. And I'm like, let me do this. So I'm gonna do this. So be alert and check my pages to see how you can actually be one of those people who can get this and come and join me on the day, and selfies and so on, because the plan is that whoever I'm buying a ticket, I must be able to see them. I must deliver the ticket myself to them. So I think that's going to be quite interesting. I think that will be very interesting to do. Looking beautiful. Thank you, Tembi. Hello, honey. Jack, hi. Welcome, first time. Yes, I needed that. Ndavi Thomas, hello. What a beautiful voice. You must record a single. Oh, you mean like sing? Oh my God, no! I'm scared of singing. I just do it when I'm playing around, but I'm scared. Let's have a awards. Kalabora la vie, kalabora. Itumeleng sebola lol. I'm interested too. Okay, interested in what? Yeah. So guys, I am. If you know you've bought your ticket, just retweet for someone else who needs the ticket. Remember the people that I'm giving this tickets to. Get someone who's not working, someone who has never been to the gospel festival. So I'm trying to just literally just give it to someone who's never had the experience. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna just make sure that this day becomes one of the special days for them. So I'm gonna make it fun for them. So if you can help with making sure that we get that special person, that person who's been following Lejoy for a long time, who really appreciates me. Yeah, but I can't just give it to someone who does not even know me. I mean, the followers, some people have been with me since God knows when. So it's best that a well-deserved person should get this, and someone who's genuine, someone who will have fun with me, and we dance around and we do everything. So yeah, help me out. Matome, hi. Ojang. Tabang Beni, hello, thank you. Leti o botse kudu ke a leboga hle, ke a leboga o tla batse. Mpho se simpho. Wait, ibile le wena nke bo rekela batho ba babedi di-ticket. Actually, I must get friends that I know have money and are working, so we can buy more people. What do you guys think? I think that would be nice. Just 250, an extra 250, and you pledge, and we just buy people tickets, man. That is not such a bad idea. Se simpho, please join in and rekele ticket one. So ke ska tla ke sa fa batho ba babedi, ke fe batho ba bararo. Please, what do you say? Ke a tseba rona na le tšhelete, o mogumo wa gona. So yes, actually I think that will be a great idea. Friends who are coming, or if you're not coming on the date, maybe onale something to do, how about you buy a ticket and we give it to someone else? So this doesn't have to be Lejoy buying two people tickets, but we come as a group and we just buy people ticket. I think that will be lovely and that will be amazing, guys. I think so. Se simple, wo dumele, chia this thing. Lol, I want to come, but the problem is that I will fail. Don't worry, tla fainta really too. Itumeleng itlatle. And on pay 250 crack a lo mongwe ticket. So the skatlarisa dia two people only. I know there are a lot of people who are not working and would love to come to the gospel festival, but I know that they don't have money. Not because abanyaki or want, so I'm just thinking, man, let's just bring them. So anyone who's got an extra 250, highlight me, let's do this. Let's get other people tickets as well. Are doing so? Like Raskaja really one. So I'm thinking Sesimpo already. Lenna Thobela ticket. Tembi. Tsamaya ko social media bono or what ticket re mfakatse life. I think I should just get people who volunteer to say, here's a 250. I can buy an extra ticket and we give it away as you are doing. So I'm a fan. I really want to dance to the dying song. Guys, go gospel festival. We're not gonna be dancing to Manada. It's gonna be your Rebecca Malobes, hey? Dr. Rebecca, Sipo Makabani. Winnie Mashabs, you know. So so guys, yeah, but anyway, so Sesimpo, yeah, Sesimpo is in, guys. We are holding Sesimpo ransom for 250 for a pledge to the ticket. So it means I'm not giving away 2 tickets anymore. It will be 3. Kaya Sesimpo ye lo yona and they deserve. So yeah, man. So exciting times. So if you think you can buy someone else a ticket and ticket, so you know, so it's gonna be just a beautiful thing to do. So this will be amazing. We'll discuss this on family dinner tonight. So simple. This is not open for discussion. So you are just doing that. I get on the bands. Okay. So guys, yeah, my first time wasn't bad on Facebook Live. I always do it on Instagram. Yes, I think I'm gonna be addicted to Facebook now. Charles Toms, I'm on as well. Woo! I'm excited. Hi Charles, please send me a DM, dude. Send me a DM. Let's do this. Yes, thank you so much. So another 250 coming my way. Yes, we're getting 4 people now. You see, it's not 2 anymore. It's 4. Damn, I'm loving this. I'm loving this. Kabelo, you are from India. Kabelo, wabana. You must send that 250 and we do this thing, man. I feel like we can do more. If we can get 10 people tickets, that's good. So already 4 guys, not so far. We can do it. 6 more people to just pledge and say we are buying other people ticket. And remember, we're gonna arrange that. It's not gonna be only if you are able to come. If not, deliver on your behalf. So let's do this. Let's do this. Mahari Piladi, I'm here. Are you here as a buyer of a ticket, or are you here as in like just being on this? Please explain, because I'm waiting for 6 more people to join in and just help me raise this ticket thing going on. I've got 4 already in the bag. Le Charles. So 4 people are buying the tickets. So just 6 more. And maybe Puti, I'm also in. Yes, guys, this is so exciting. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Puti, please go to my inbox and send me an inbox so that we can do this. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Oh my God, you guys are just making this so fun. So we left with 5. A target there today is just 10. So if we can get 10 today, I'll be so excited. So come on, guys. Man. And remember, these tickets we are giving to people who are unemployed, who can't afford the ticket. You know, as much as and there are those really who do not have the money, you know, and would love to come. So it will be super amazing and super exciting to just give someone who can't a ticket. So I am so excited that you guys did this. I mean, having 5, we raised 3 already in few minutes. So I'm excited and thank you so much. So let's keep the movement going before the 17th so we can just have a joy and praise God and have fun. Go Thobela FM. I've been with the station since 2011. It's been long. I know I've got people who really loves me and people who really appreciate me regardless of my flaws, regardless of anything that I do. But I know you guys you, my supporters. So how about I hook up with you, man? I want to come and deliver a ticket to someone who's been following me and who's been saying Lejoy, Lejoy. I mean, guys, to be honest, your support is the only thing that keeps us alive. So I'm good. So we have like 5 tickets already. So I'll be waiting for you guys, which I'll send them to DM me. Let's slide it in the DM and we see how we can actually work it out. Thank you so much. And for those who still want to help me buy tickets as well, what you can do is just inbox me so that we can keep this thing going. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Bye-bye.